Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Discord password tested method step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Discord login page. Look for the Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be redirected to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Double-check for any typos in your email address. Click the Reset Password button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Discord. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the password reset link in the email. You will be taken to a new page to enter a new password. Create a strong, new password that you haven't used before. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Click the Set Password button to save your new password. Once your password has been successfully reset, return to the Discord login page. Enter your email and new password to log in. You have now reset your Discord password successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.